to school too. Baba God, èmi náà fẹ́ wá range o. Dangote lórí méjì, na bẹ́ẹ̀gà dé bẹ́ẹ̀gì o. Ọlọ́run ọ̀run, èmi náà fẹ́ wá Bentley. Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá lórí méjì, na bẹ́ẹ̀gà dé bẹ́ẹ̀gì o. Àfẹ́yànà, I don't go where the.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. I saw the vacancy some people put on the sideboard. Yes, sir. I have BSc, even PhD. Yes, sir. I can walk. Sir, where I'm working, they call me workist. I can walk. Yes, sir. I'm coming right away, sir. I'm coming right away, sir. I'm coming. Let me just go and resign where I'm working now. I'm coming to your own side. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. I don't make camp. Very attractive salary.
Last. Our Lord Jesus is our ladder. Ladder follow. Follow the ladder. Yeah, follow the ladder. Yeah, follow the ladder. Sister follow. Follow the ladder. Yeah, follow the ladder. Follow the ladder.
Madam.
Yes?
Madam, there, come. Please come.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. I'm not working here again, so I came to give you my resignation letter.
You're not working here anymore?
No. I'm not working here. Where I am working now. Madam, attractive salary. If you see the salary, you too, you will live here. Please, sign on it. I'm not working again. No.
What kind of job is it?
In fact, don't even sign.
You know you can be prosecuted for that?
Apostle,
we have this.
Every time I see myself, I feel like saying, "Ah, juju, they worry me." I know it is.
Yes, sir. It's me, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it's me. Oh, I have any degree.
Are you sure you can work? I'm not even bothered about the degree. Are you
Sir,
sure you can work?
I told you on the phone that where I am working before, because I've gone to that place to resign. I've resigned now. They are calling me workist. Where I'm working before, 50,000 is what they're paying. But as I saw your this attractive salary, I just say let me leave that one.
If you can work, you can make 50,000 naira in a day. You understand? It just depends on you. You are ready to work.
I'm ready. Let's go to the office.
You are ready to work.
I'm ready to work, sir.
What?
Eh?
Phone number.
Right from the defense.
Apostle, we have this. So we end up in my.
We have more like this, like 5. Don't go on this 1 5. Do you understand me? So if you can finish this work today, I'll just give you the money on the finish it. So when you choose, just come and collect your money.
Thank you for watching School 2 Comedy. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I need to subscribe. Ubutu. Forget attractive salary.
No.
Anywhere where you dey work, any amount that they pay you, stay there, work. It's not good to be jobless.
There is no work anywhere.
Because now we no get work. Now they give NEPA bill for compound, may go pay.
Shall leave that one. Just please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And I was still saying the same thing.
School too.